When a bride comes in and she says to us, "You did my grandma's wedding flowers, you did my mom's wedding flowers, and now I want you to do my wedding flowers," that gives me chills. Hi, I'm Lisa Fennick, owner of Candlelight Floral and Gifts, located in downtown Wayzata. We have been in business for 57 years, and I have been here at Candlelight for 10. Growing up, I always knew I wanted to own my own business. A lot of people in my family own their own businesses, and I wasn't really sure what I wanted to do. And I thought, like everybody thinks, oh, a flower shop, that sounds like fun. So I applied here, and when I interviewed, Vicki said, "Why do you want to be a florist?" And I said, "Well, I want to own my own business, and I'm trying to figure out what type of business that is." She said, "Do you want to buy my store?" And I said, "Well, give me a job first, and we'll see if I like it." And 5 years later, I ended up taking over the store so that she could retire after working here for 43 years. I remember this one time, a bride walked in on a Monday, and she had a huge wedding that she needed executed by that Saturday. And I was able to get on the cart and say to her, "This is what's available right now." And it's the fact that there's pictures to show her, prices so I can quote her on the spot, and then just knowing the availability rather than having to make a call or send an email, wait for a rep to call back. It's like quick and easy. And we had a 6 bridesmaid, bunch of boutonnieres and corsages wedding executed by that Friday. I felt terrified at first because she came in and she wanted all of these crazy things. She wanted, air ferns and really unique types of flowers, and we were able to recreate her vision pretty spot on. When my husband and I bought the store 5 years ago, Ray and Jason invited us up there to take a tour of the whole facility, teach us about what you guys do, how you do it, why you do it, and then we sat down and figured out how we can work together. I mean, you guys are 10 minutes up the road from us, so convenience is a huge plus. The fact that you guys are so transparent and stand by your product and your service, you're willing to work with us for anything. You just say, "Hey, what do you need and how can we get it for you?" And that's super cool. I love the fact that my rep, Ray, trusts me, and he never questions if I'm having an issue with something. He believes me, he lets me take pictures and shows him, and he doesn't make me feel like I'm, that I'm lying to him or something, because he stands by Len Bush's product just like Candlelight stands by our product.